Hello everyone, so welcome to the continuation of our augmented reality project. So in this lesson, let's try fixing this onto this, okay, this particular UI. So what I have to do is I'm going to use the scale to scale this a bit. Use the move tool, bring this here. I'm going to select this. I'm going to take it back. So let me zoom in, then let's see. Well, you see the reason why you have to always go around your objects or your scene. Okay, let's bring this. Let's okay, still the same. Okay, bring it forward, pick it up, bring it forward. And let's see what we have. It's still behind it. Okay. So let me just click this and then sorry, undo. Okay, so I kind of like this. Okay, but let's resize this. It looks too big. So let's scale this a bit down. Okay, and then let's resize this one. I'm going to resize. I'm going to move it down. Okay, so I think I like this, and then I'm going to group this. Control G. Okay, so as one object, and then I'm going to name it uh, info me2. Okay, so this gives us more information about the mitochondria. Okay, then so what we can do is we can allow this to be this way, or we can also give it this particular UI, this particular UI, the container. Okay, so we can go and then import a new one. Okay, and then just do same as this. Okay, but let's leave it this way just so we speed up things. So what I'm going to do now is let's, because these things belong to the mitochondria, I'm going to move them to the mitochondria page or close to the mitochondria. Okay, so let's move them. So I'm going to multi-select them, then I'm going to move them. Oh, okay, so we even have another the UI here, but I wouldn't use it. I'll delete it. So let me just take it out. So let's zoom in and let's see. Let me bring this to this side and then bring this here. Okay. So let's bring this here. So hold on the right click key. Uh, sorry, the on the mouse. Okay, to be able to rotate around, I'm holding on the right, uh, holding down on the right mouse. Okay, pad and then the pad. And then I'm moving. Okay, so I want this to align with this. Okay, it's not aligning perfectly. I think this should be fine. Let's take it closer. Okay, it's not that close, so I'm going to move it here. Okay, so this quite okay. So basically what you can do is you can click and then look at the positioning, the X and Y and Z index or values, and then you can use that to position this. Okay, so basically this is going to be, so this is the Z index. So when I click on this, it should be, okay, so there's some difference. So this 9.41 and then this one is 8.71. So it's quite close. I can give this a 9 point something just so it's all aligned, but that's okay.